Alright, the next part of chapter 4 is the main floor. Let's go ahead. Oh, I forgot on this part, this actually goes through. So let's do this. Let's extend this to here and extend this to here. And then you can just grab the grips like I did. And there you go. Alright, so that was on page 4-15. Finished up on that. So now I'm on to 4-17, which the dimensions I just want to double check, look like the same on yep. And so this is going to go fast now that I'm verifying that on page 4-7 and 4-17 the outer dimensions are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and Control S, Command S, Command Shift S, and this is going to be the first floor plan. Okay, so all this gets deleted. That, 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 that. Change this to first floor plan. Done. And now I just got to see. So the exterior garage walls, which is this area, are 4.5 inches thick. But it looks like from here to here, the wall thickness is different. Looks like it's 6.5. And I want to say it's 6.5 all the way around the exterior walls. So here and here. So let's go ahead and there we go, offset, and we're looking at 4.5. This, 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 and that. Trim. Right, so we got that. This, and an offset 6.5. This 6.5, 6.5. So the rest of this is 6.5. There we go. So this bumps out like that. Trim here. Trim here. 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 There we go. So that's fixed. And now we're just going to fillet our 0 radius. It's fine. And like I said before, I'm just going to go around. And when I tap that spacebar, I'm back into the same command. I could do it over here. here, and I think this is going to be a little different, but you know what, I'm on a roll. I'm just going to go with it. I'll figure that out afterwards. And when I say I'm on a roll, in my mind is I'm focused on completing these walls like so, and I don't want to disrupt that flow or train of thought until I'm completely done. And then I'll worry about this afterwards. And so it looks like this continues all the way up to here. This as well. And these get deleted. And I can go ahead and delete this, and then F. There we go. So that's the fireplace. Looks like this wall also comes down, so extend, trim, there we go. And it looks like page 417 is complete. And now on 418, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of all this. So we have right here, there is a 7-foot, I'm sorry, a 3'7", and then an offset 4.5. And then from here, offset 5 feet, 10 inches, dash 5/8. And let's offset 2'9". I'm just going to offset 4.5. Okay. Then we're going to offset 3'4". And offset 6 foot 1.5, 1.5. Alright, and we'll offset 4.5. Oops. Offset 4.5. There we go. And let's see. We need to do 6 foot, so offset 6 foot. Actually, let's clean this up a little bit so we can start seeing where everything is. I think that's a good place to be. And right here, this can go away. Alright, so offset 6 feet. Here, offset 4.5, and here. Trim. And there we have it. So that takes care of this space. And then from here to here, we got 13 feet, 5 5/8 inch. 5-5/8 inch. There we go. And then offset 4.5. Alright. And it looks like this carries on all the way to here. So offset 4.5. There you have it. Trim this. Actually, let me undo. Trim that. There we go. Alright. So it looks like there's a line that goes all the way across from here. Again, I'm going to use the ortho. And then offset 4.5. And that comes to there. Let me see, offset 16.2. And I'm selecting the outer line because if you notice how they dimensioned it, it's the outer line. Let me extend that. It looks like I'm just going to extend it all the way down. There we go. Yeah, because that measurement looks like it's towards the outer. Let me go ahead and then offset 4.5. Done. And then you got 2.9, so offset, or 2'9". Go, and then offset 4.5. And it looks like there is 7'1". So offset 7'1". Offset 4.5. There we go. Let's clean this up. Oh, forgot to clean this up. There we go. Clean this up over here. Just going to go around and make sure everything is cleaned up. That stays the same. And there you have it. That is the first floor plan.